Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to share something really important. So during throughout this pandemic, we have seen many times emergencies have been declared across various provinces and throughout the world. But now at this moment in Ontario, this has been declared once again, but this is not for COVID-19 outbreak or spike in cases. This is because of the trucker protest. So the government is trying to deal with the situation, and our honorable premier, Mr. Doug Ford, has made it, and this he has done to control the situation because of the blockage and other issues have created are costing a lot, especially the trade between the two countries, US and Canada. So with this, the government authorities get additional power and they get the right to put additional fines, restrictions, arrests on those who are taking part of it. Now, whether this protest is right or wrong, I'm not gonna say anything about it because it could turn out controversial, and I don't wanna get into any controversy, so I don't wanna say my opinion about it. But I'm gonna share the information that is already published, that this is what is going on. So hopefully the situation comes under control to everyone's acceptance, and I'll keep you guys updated with whatever is happening here. Thanks for watching.